Can you get free coupons for your FIFA 24? Today we are going to find out if we guys can get the free coupons for your FIFA 24. As we know, FIFA 24 is actually the FC 24, the new game of the EA or FIFA series. So they just changed the name from FIFA to FC. So now on, you guys need to call it FC 24. So how you guys can find the working coupons for this game? Well, currently we were not able to find any of the working coupons website or any website where you guys can find the working coupons for FC 24. But you guys can try your luck by buying the subscription of Xbox, PlayStation, EA or Steam. What it will do is it will give some free things. These cards or these subscriptions have some chances that they will give you something for free for your FIFA 24 or your FC 24. So you guys can try your luck by buying any of these cards, or you guys can also try by buying all of these. They all have different purposes and they all have different uses. They might give you some offers in which they will be able to give you some time. As you guys can see, if you buy EA Play Pro on your origin account, you can play FC24 for free. You don't even need to pay. So that's how you guys can get some coupons for your latest FIFA game or FC24 by buying the subscription for PlayStation membership or Amazon membership, or you guys can also try EA membership. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can get the coupons for your FIFA 24. Hope you guys find this video helpful.